This is our flush mount paddle latch. Stainless steel, durable. This is the latch for your doors. Toolboxes, under tray drawers. This latch is used everywhere in the transport industry, and you can get this at uesint.com.
Today we're looking at a UES flush paddle latch. This is the locking stainless steel version, and it's also available in non-locking. This comes complete with a gasket and 2 sets of keys, and this is key to light. Has a polished stainless steel polished finish, and it's simple to install, and also has a slam action tongue. This is an effective way to gain access to toolboxes and different type of compartments.